Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Feit Floodlight camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can use in 2026. So first of all, you need to force your network to use WPA2. In 2026, most of the routers use WPA3 by default, but Feit camera often fail on WPA3. So you need to go to your router settings. Then in the settings, you need to switch to WPA2, or you need to create a guest network that uses WPA2. Then you can connect your camera to that. Afterwards, you need to make sure that you are using the 2.4 gigahertz only. Now, Feit floodlight cameras do not support the 5 gigahertz. So if your network is combined, the connection will fail. So you need to separate the bands and connect to only 2.4 gigahertz. Now you need to check your password length and the format. If your Wi-Fi password is too long or has complex characters, the camera may reject it. So you need to keep it simple and under 32 characters for setup. Another important fix is proper reset. So do not just restart the camera. You need to simply press and hold the reset button for around 15 seconds until you hear a sound or until you see the lights blinking. Then you can set it up again from the scratch. Now some of the routers block the new devices automatically or limit the connections. So you can check the device limits, the disable AP isolation, and if needed, you can enable the WPS temporarily during the setup. If the camera is already mounted far from the router, you can see the setup may failing. So you need to bring it within 10 to 20 feet of the router during the setup. Then you can install it outside after it connects. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.